these old throttle bodies are getting replaced with some new RHD units, which these are what they are over here. So they're already fitted to the engine. As you can see, they've got very nice carbon fibre air cleaners, which use the K&N rain hat filter elements. They've got beautifully machined throttle bodies, manifolds and trumpets. The trumpets, I'll show you those now. That's them. Absolutely beautiful. Now, this car had 2 coil packs which fed the 12 spark plugs. We're now going to the coil on plug arrangement, which is going to be far more efficient, far more serviceable and a lot neater. Now, why we're replacing the throttle bodies is because of what I'm about to show you. We have, you can hear how the throttles crack open. Hopefully you can hear that. Now, that's because the butterflies are actually jamming against the throttle bodies and the actual housing. And also this movement, which I hope you can see it, in the throttle shafts. You might even be able to hear that movement as it's moving. But these throttle bodies were actually worn back in 2004-2005 when the engine was rebuilt. We did that at that time, and the old throttle bodies were 51 mil and the new ones are 45, so it's going to create a lot more airspeed and generate much more torque and hopefully power, because the airspeed will be far better, therefore the mixture will be better. And I'm really looking forward to see how this will go. I think it should be very good.